Good morning, students. Today we are going to read in GK some extra question which I have given you. Okay? What I have given you? First I have given you, listen, who was the first Prime Minister of India? Who was the first Prime Minister of India? In sentence what you will write? Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. Okay. Next question. What is the capital of India? New Delhi is the capital of India. New Delhi is the capital of India. Understand? Next question. Who discovered India? Okay. Who discovered India? Vasco da Gama. Vasco, V-A-S-C-O, Vasco, D-A, G-A-M-A. Okay, Vasco da Gama. He is a Portuguese people. He is a Portuguese sailor. Okay, came to India and has discovered India. So, Vasco da Gama has discovered India. Okay. Next, who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Indira Gandhi. I-N-D-I-R-A. Indira Gandhi. G-A-N-D-H-I. Indira Gandhi was the first woman Prime Minister of India. Okay. Next, who is the present Prime Minister of India? Mr. Narendra Modi is the present Prime Minister of India. What is the spelling of Narendra Modi? N-A-R-E-N-D-R-A. Narendra, N-A-R-E-N-D-R-A. Narendra Modi. M-O-D-I. Modi. Narendra Modi is the present Prime Minister of India. Understand? Now you know very well that in West Bengal elections are going on and it was finished. Okay? So some small question on elections. Let us study that also. Okay. So what is the question on election? Election in India for parliament and state legislatures are conducted. Which are conducting in the state, they are known as state legislatures, and which are in the parliaments, in our Indian parliament, that is parliament elections. Okay. That is considered who organize it, means election in India for parliament and legislatures, state legislatures are conducted by who? It is the president or governor or election commission of India. No. 3 options are there. President, okay, governor or election commission of India. Who organized this? Election Commission of India. Okay. Next, the election for Lok Sabha are held election for Lok Sabha are held in how many years? Okay. After 3 years, after 4 years, or after 5 years. What is the answer? It will always held after 5 years. Okay. Next, What is the age eligibility for vote in India? Means if you have to give vote in India, what should be a person age? It will be 18 years, 21 years or 30 years. It will be 18 years. If you are 18 years, then you are eligible for vote. You have a right to give vote. Understand? Next, the electronic voting machine have been used in all general and state assembly election of India since. Means from which year it has been established, the electronic voting machine. Earlier we used to give vote on paper. Okay, now there is no paper. It is a electronic voting machine. It was started from which year? 1999, 2004 or 2000? The answer is 2004 onwards. Okay. Next, what is the composition of indelible ink used the election in India? In India, when elections are going, the ink which they are used, what is? Silver nitrate, lead nitrate or silver bromide? Answer is silver nitrate. Okay, you will click on that. Then name the national currency of India. What is the national currency of India? It is rupee. What is the national currency of India? Rupee. Okay. Name the longest river in India. The longest river is Ganga. Okay. Who is the first citizen of India? When we write citizen, who will be the first? President of India will be the first. Okay. He is denoted as the first citizen of India, President of India. Next, who is popularly known as Iron Man of India? Whom we say Iron Man of India? We say Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay, we say Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. Understand? Which state is known as the fruit bowl of India? Means in this state many fruits are grown. So it is known as fruit bowl of India. Which state? It is Himachal Pradesh. Understand? These are the extra question I have given you so that you learn and it will come in your exam. Okay. Now come to our revision for the tomorrow's exam. Okay. Tomorrow is your CC. Which chapters I have given? First 4 chapter. We will revise. First chapter deals with the flightless bird. First one is kiwi. It has nose at the end of the beak. They are all flightless bird. They could not fly. Then this is the parrot which cannot fly. What it is? Kakapo. Then this is a penguin. It has flippers and it can drink sea water. Okay. Then it is the largest bird. It can run very fast. It is the largest bird in the world. Okay. This is ostrich. And this one, it is the second largest bird. It has 2 sets of eyelids. It has how many sets? 2 sets of eyelids. This one is emu. And here the rhea is the flightless bird. It has huge wings and cannot fly. Okay, rhea is also a flightless bird. Next, this is a big cat. Okay, this one, the national animal of India. Which one is the national animal of India? It is tiger. Next, the big cat that likes to climb trees. Who likes to climb tree? It is leopard. Okay, it is leopard. Next, the king of the forest. Who is the king of the forest? It is lion. Then the national animal of Brazil. It is the national animal of Brazil. It is what? Jaguar. And the last, the fastest land animal on earth. This one is cheetah. Okay. Here there are more than 30 different types of cats in the world. Okay. The cat family is called feline family. Okay. The little house cat and the mighty lion both belongs to this family. Understand? Then here is some hairband make shapes of the animals. like dog, giraffe, elephant, okay, then zebra, then rabbit. What they like to eat, I have given in your matching. Next, the giraffe is the tallest animal. It means in the world it is the tallest animal. It can grow to a height of how many feet? 20 feet. It can go to a height of 20 feet. Its neck is almost 6 feet long. Its neck is how much long? 6 feet. Its tongue is about 1.5 or 1.5 feet long. Okay, understand? Next chapter is of plant, useful plant. This is a doormat made of coconut tree. Then this one, rubber, we get it from the pulp of the rubber tree. Then next, it is a cloth, it is made from the cotton. Okay, and last it is basket, from the stem of bamboo tree we make it. Understand? Then there are many plants. Here plants are very important part. They provide us what? Furnitures, wood for furnitures, fruits and vegetables, pulp for making paper, and many other. Means these are the uses of plants. If you ask anybody that what are the uses of plants, you can say they are used to make furniture. They provide us what? Fruits and vegetable. They used to make medicines. Okay. Here the drumstick tree. The drumstick tree is considered one of the most useful tree. Drumstick tree is considered as what? Most useful. Then its leaves, pods, flower and seeds are used in cooking. Okay. Different parts of it is used to purify water. Oil is made from the seeds. Different parts of the tree are used to make herbal medicine. These are the uses of drumstick tree. Okay, it is one of the most useful plant. Next, here pictures are given. What are the uses of plant? You will read. Okay, what are the uses? We get paper, we get cotton, we got medicines. Okay, and last it is fish. Fishy name. We will read the fish. This is catfish, ratfish, cowfish, parrotfish, swordfish, then lionfish, then butterfly fish, then angelfish. Okay? So understand, up to this I have make you revised, and in your copy I have given many other type of question you learn. Okay? So today's study over. Thank you, students.